Firstly, good afternoon, ma'am.
Very
And
good.
I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I have been connected to you and I'm speaking to you right now.
Thank you so much. It's my
And
pleasure.
yeah, okay, myself, Ragini, and I'm dwelling from Bangalore.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm a homemaker. Yeah. And since I'm for a couple of months, I'm following your YouTube channel.
Thank you.
So, yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about your family?
Yeah, my family, I'm blessed with three children.
Hmm.
They are studying. My elder daughter, she's studying CA, and my younger daughter, she's in BCA, final year degree, and my
Okay.
son is in seventh standard.
Okay. So these days, what about them? Do they have holidays?
No, ma'am, they are preparing for the exams.
Okay.
Just now, my son has finished his midterm exam,
Okay.
and my daughters, they are preparing for their exams.
Okay. Okay. All right. So how did you stumble upon my videos? That you tell me first.
Actually, ma'am, I'm having interest to learn this language. Basically, I love this language.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to learn and have a fluency in this language, and I have to build up some confidence. So usually I was scrolling, so I have come across your YouTube channel, and basically your English is you keep quite simple. It's your language sometimes because it is very useful to the beginners, whoever the learners, the English learners. So I thought, yeah, I want to connect to you, ma'am.
Okay. So is this the very first conversation with somebody?
This is the first conversation with you, actually. That is why I'm very excited. I'm very delighted to connect to you. And I'm feeling a little nervous as well because this is my first step.
Don't feel nervous. First and foremost, I want to tell you. I was also under the weather actually. I was not keeping well, and I received your mail earlier also, and then yesterday, and today I gave you time at 12. I just had forgotten that today is Friday. I gave you time at 12, thinking that today is Thursday, but today is Friday. And then that time I was taking class, and I just scrolled my mobile and saw your message that you sent it in the morning, I suppose.
Yes, ma'am. At
But
7:45, I messaged you
yeah,
because
I
you told
couldn't.
me that remind me, please.
Yes, yes. And because I'm not well, that's the reason I told you that you remind me so that I will see, and then at least I'll make up my mind that I have to join a session with you. And then I gave you time
Okay,
at
hope
12.
you're well, ma'am. Now, how is your wealth, ma'am? Health, ma'am?
It's better now. I can say it's better now, but still it's a time like, everybody is falling sick due to cold, cough. So I also like I was down with fever 2 days back. So fever is no more, but still I have a bit sore throat and then a little bit, you can say, weakness. But I'm better. I'm better.
Because of the weather, ma'am. Because of the
It's
weather.
just because of the weather. And a few
Yes.
days back, I was traveling. That could be one of the reasons because of that. So I'm very happy and really elated that you have been following my channel for last many months, you said, and it
Yes.
was helpful for you. I expect the same, that it should be helpful for many beginners because once they start speaking, they feel that it should be somewhere simple so that they get each and every word and they feel it is very easy for them also. It's not that very difficult. If initially we start using difficult idioms and phrases in the conversation, so what happens that beginners, they just get frightened to hear that, oh my
Yes,
God,
ma'am.
this I
Of
cannot
course.
manage. It's not simple, it's not easy. So
That's
yeah.
what I told you, ma'am. Because your conversation and your vocabs you keep sometimes simple. So it is very advantage for beginners, ma'am.
Thank you.
Because beginners they struggle a lot because that is the like unique journey when they are step onto this journey like English language because they are habitual for native languages.
Yes,
Okay,
in
because
India we
and
don't use any other language than Hindi. Usually we speak our native language, isn't it? In our families we don't
yes, ma'am,
try.
we are perfect. We are perfect in native language because we have raised in that language from the childhood. and our environment, our surroundings, our school. So wherever we go, so where we will be in the touch of that language. So when it comes to English, so nobody speaks about that language. Then how come we can be like well influenced or fluency in that language?
That is,
So we will struggle a lot at that time.
yes, yes.
We can give a speech for half an hour or 1 hour with our native language. Whereas when it comes to English, we feel like something like petrified. Oh my God, what shall I do? Seeing the crowd, what shall I? Because the words also can't utter. Not even one word we can utter.
That's true. That's true. It's because not only it's a different language, we always think when it comes to English that we should use some ornamental English. Some heavy words should be used. Some difficult idioms and phrases should be used. Whereas when we speak in Hindi, we never think of this. As we say that we are very proficient in Hindi. But if somebody really speaks difficult Hindi, it becomes difficult for us to understand that also. Okay,
And
but
for listeners also.
for listeners also. So it is not
Yes.
easy to say that we are masters of Hindi. It is very
Yes.
difficult to prove that you or I, we are master of any language. Language is
Yes.
very deep thing. It's a kind of ocean. We can say that we
Yes.
know a drop of it. Yeah, we can simply say. But becoming master of language, it's not simple, it's not easy. But yes, these days, due to internet, due to mobile, due to many social media platforms, people have this opportunity to learn. I never had this opportunity to connect with somebody in my childhood, I'm talking about, or when even I started my journey as a teacher.
Me too,
To
ma'am. Myself.
yes,
Me too. Yes, ma'am. When I was in a childhood, me too. I was to struggle a lot because nowadays the internet has become so convenient. They did the people so convenience in all the field. Like internet, they are providing like social medias. There are so much of social medias,
yes,
so much
yes,
of many
so many.
platforms they are there, and emails. So we can connect to the different types of people in the different states. So right
Hmm.
now we are connecting because of internet only, man.
Yes, you are sitting in Bangalore, I'm sitting in
And
Lucknow.
we are in
Yeah,
Lucknow.
yeah, and
So it's easy to connect, and we are connecting to each other, and we are sharing our conversation.
so yes, we
So
all know that internet has changed our lifestyle. It has
yes,
brought many plus points, many negative points in the society. But if we
yes.
take it positively, if we just think of its positive points, I think it has opened up many doors, job opportunity, learning opportunity, socializing with people from one country to another country. We are talking about that city. You are sitting in Bangalore, I'm sitting in Lucknow.
Yes.
But
Yes.
even we can connect sitting in India to any country. Yeah.
Yeah, across the world. Across
Across
the
the
world.
world, we can connect and we can discuss, we can talk, we can do anything. People are doing.
Yes, ma'am. Internet is something like a powerful tool. It is a powerful tool. So
Yes.
if you're not using in a good manner, you're not using, it is our responsibility. If you're not using in a good manner, so it will become like something, it is a like master and we are the slave for that.
Yeah,
That
yes,
will be.
yes. And these days, what I have observed that I have seen that whenever I go to airport or in train, I travel, even on the road, if you go in the market, you go, I have seen just people keep on doom scrolling, every time if
Yes,
you see something or the other, they are watching. I don't know what they watch. Although,
and they're wasting the precious time also, ma'am. They're wasting, they are not aware of the time. So what I'm doing, just they'll be scrolling.
you are
They're
right.
not aware of the precious time, where I'm spending my time. Everybody, each and everybody, they are habitual of mobiles.
So I
So
think,
something,
hmm,
the people's bonding and the people's emotions, I think something, somewhere it is missing
yes, that is.
because of this internet. Earlier, because the people used to like gather each other and they used to chat, they used to play, the children used to play, they used to mingle, the elders used to chat. Like so many things was happening between the people. So
Mm,
that bonding was built up between the people. But nowadays, I think these are all missing because of internet.
you are right. So
Yes,
I think internet is, as everything has two sides, internet also has
yes,
two sides. Yeah, it has
yes, ma'am.
boon
It's
and
like a
cons.
boon and a bane.
Yeah, it's like exactly. So if we talk about
Yes,
boon, for me,
yes,
it's a boon. I'm retired lady, although I'm sick, but I'm getting entertained talking with Ragini. Yes, at the same time, learning is taking place. Learning is, it's not only learning about language, sitting and talking to a stranger. Today, you might have seen my videos, so you can say that I know Manju ma'am a little bit, maybe by watching her videos. But for me, you are
yes.
totally stranger, but still, we are connecting, we are talking. So for me, it's really boon. I learned many things. But when I
Yes,
see,
ma'am, you're doing a wonderful job, ma'am, really, because after your retirement, you're not wasting your time. Because some people, after their retirement, they will wonder, what shall I do? How I should spend my time? Where I should spend my time? So they will be wondering. But you have chosen a wonderful platform and something you have given a backbone to the society, to the learners, like English learners.
thank you. If I
It's a great job,
I
ma'am, you're
have done,
doing.
even I feel even 0.1% also, if I have added value to someone, I feel my life is successful, fruitful, because it was never in my mind. I never intentionally started this YouTube channel. And I never had in my mind that sometimes I'll have this kind of conversation. I simply started because I was feeling bored after retirement. So I felt something I should start. And I was not staying or sticking at one place, moving here and there, sometimes to my daughter's place, sometimes to my son's place. That's how I started. But today, when I look back, 2 years back, I was just zero. I was nowhere. I was simply making some videos I was uploading. But when I see today, I feel whether I have given something to others or not, but I have received many things from others. So that's a great benefit for me. And that all happened due to internet. One simple thing, internet. One mobile and one internet. These two things,
Yes,
they have changed many things, many things. When I see 3 years child, 2 years child,
yes,
even zero size children I have seen, parents
yes,
are not feeding them without showing mobile,
yes,
something on mobile.
yes.
So I
It's
feel
true, ma'am.
pity
It's
about
true.
it. I feel very pity
Yes,
about
ma'am.
those literate parents, that what are
Ma'am,
they
not
trying?
only children's, ma'am, not only children's, I suggest that even elders also, even the
This
elder
happens,
people
this
also.
happens because of this, because we are also,
Yes, when the elder they are using the mobile, obviously the children's, obviously they will like what is there in this mobile, even I want to use. Even
naturally.
elders also habitual of that, ma'am. Even elders, they can't survive without mobile. They are wasting. Once they have finished their household chores, they will go. They'll run away for, oh, where's my mobile? Where's my mobile? Just for entertainment. Because mobile is giving so much of entertainment like movies, web series, and games. We can explore many more things, ma'am.
That's true. That's true. But at the same time, I feel, as you also mentioned, that there is less of social interaction. Yeah. Like if internet was
Yes,
not
ma'am, of
there.
course.
Yes. Take
Yeah, earlier, ma'am, earlier when there was no internet, people used to work hard. People used to work hard. The women used to work hard in the home, and the men used to go to the field early in the morning. They used to wake up early in the morning at 4 or 5. They used to go for their daily routine work. And those days, the people used to be very healthy, fit and fine because
true.
they know that we are the one we have to like finish all our household work because nobody is there. There was not having any technology. With
Hmm.
the absence of technology, the human was leading a healthy and fitness life.
Yes. Yes.
But
Yes.
whereas come to now, it has become so luxurious. And somewhere I think so the people are becoming lazy because of this technology.
Yes,
And
sitting.
in those times, there was not having any transportation. We used to walk for miles wherever we want to go. So the
Hmm.
walking was very healthy to the people. So now it has become wherever just for 1 kilometer we used to go, "Hey, we'll take a two-wheeler or four-wheeler." We are habitual of that, this luxury. We are not ready to do workout or exercise. We feel somewhat lazy. Sometimes I feel internet has made us lazy as well.
Yes.
In my point of view, ma'am, I'm telling in my point of view.
No, no, it's the same for everybody. If you
Yeah.
uh, think deeply, then I also feel the same that these days you see cyber crimes are taking place. Why?
Yes, of course.
Why?
It increasing
Because
through internet.
internet is very easily accessible for everybody. So in place of
Yes. And
thinking in the right direction, people started thinking in negative way.
also, ma'am, hackers,
Hackers are there.
hackers, they
Mhm.
are hacking important software data,
Mhm.
and they are manipulating them into their according to their own way. And viruses. So some
Mhm.
viruses also entering to the computer and corrupting the whole system. So through internet also cyber crimes also increasing.
So yeah, with this platform, I really want to tell everybody that internet is a boon if we take it as a boon. Yeah.
Yes.
If we use it in a negative way, then everything has its second part. Yeah. So we should
Yes,
try
ma'am, of course.
to use it in very productive manner where like,
And in the news also, ma'am, sometimes from through internet we can get to know like fake news
yes.
or authentic news, and public will get puzzled that what is the fake, what is the authentic. They
Mhm.
will get confused what to believe and what not to believe.
Yeah.
So these are
And it
all
doesn't
the
take even microsecond to
yes,
spread in whole world. One fake
yes,
news, you can spread it in whole world because of this internet, because of this social media. And
yes,
then people just get, like panic, what to do and what not to do.
yes, ma'am, of course.
So
And
it's
the normal
like,
people also, the normal public people also, they'll
Mhm.
get hesitated because earlier there was not having that much fear. Like how? Because if something has happened, something issue is there, suddenly the internet, like news channels, they will come ahead and they will write whatever they want. It's their wish.
Mhm.
Actually, it doesn't happen nothing, but they will write whatever they want, and so they will upload in the YouTube channels or in the news channels.
Yeah.
So these are all the issues it's facing through internet.
Yes.
So
So,
overall, I think internet is having two aspects, ma'am, like positive and negative aspects.
and if we become role model for our children, by using less of technology, because somewhere where it is important it has to be used, but
Yes,
where it is not important, then we should try to keep ourselves away from it. Sometimes we should socialize with our family members. I see that if there are four people in the family, everyone is having either one laptop or one
yeah,
mobile.
four members, they will
All
be
four
like
will be
occupied in
carrying
one
one
room.
laptop or one mobile. They'll be
Yes,
sitting and they will be just doom scrolling anything.
no
Thinking
discussion,
what
nothing.
if something they are learning, that's perfectly okay. Something, even comedy serials, I too love to see. I too watch sometimes if I get time. But as far as possible, we should interact with people also. This is missing these days in not only in families, in society also. I remember my childhood and I also remember my children's childhood. I'm looking forward to see my grandchildren's childhood also. It's not easy for me. If somebody asks, what do you watch on TV? I only say that I just keep some songs on and that's how I just keep doing my work. I really don't get time to watch anything. My son always tells me that something you should watch. Keep your mind free from all these things you have been teaching for past so many years. Now at least relax. But still, I feel that taking out 3 4 hours out of 24 hours is good because mind and body both should
Yes,
remain healthy. That is very important. and that can only remain healthy if you use it. So that is important and lovely topic we discussed today, Ragini. It was nice that you sent me an email and I accepted it. I was still in dilemma whether I should join or not, because I know that I'm not sounding soft because of sore throat. It's okay. But we discussed nicely, and I think this video is going to be fruitful for others also.
Your
Mhm.
long journey,
Mhm.
and you like music and gardening. And,
Yes.
and one of the major hobby you're having is teaching. You love teaching.
Yes. I love teaching. I have been teaching since my childhood, you can say. When my
Yes.
favorite game was teaching. I was coming back from my school after eating. I used to start teaching on the wall. Used to start imitating my teachers actually. That's how I was teaching without any student, nobody in the room. But I was loving the role of a teacher since my childhood. So I was teaching in my dream also. And
Because it has come from your blood. From your blood. The teaching has come from your blood.
so it was there somewhere very close
Yeah.
to my heart. And I was always having a dream to become a doctor or to become a teacher. So yeah, I became a teacher and I enjoyed.
Ma'am, sorry for interruption. Is there any like your ancestors or your elders, any teachers in your family background?
No one, no one. I'm the first one, and nobody seems to become a teacher also. Okay,
Okay.
Ragini, I think we
Okay,
should
thank you,
wind up
ma'am.
the
It's
session.
true. I'm feeling very delighted I connected to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving your precious time